Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be showing you how to grow cuttings of chrysanthemum or guldaudi. This is the mums, and you can grow easy. You can take cuttings in month of June or July is the best. And if you want, you can grow up to August and September. You can take the cuttings, and the flowering will start in November, December. And for that, you have to take one sharp blade, new blade, because it is totally sharp and totally sterilized. So take cuttings around 3 to 4 inch of length. I am taking cuttings here. You see the sharp cut here, clean and sharp cut. So that I am taking here 3 to 4 inch length of cutting. This is the best for taking cuttings, and I'll be taking around 5 to 6 cuttings here, and I'll give you some experiments also for without rooting hormone powder, some homemade things, some homemade ingredients I'll be using here to use it. So now these cuttings are ready, and remove the lower side leaves from here. Very cleanly remove the lower side leaves and put it in water, so that there won't be any desiccation or drying up of these cuttings. I am putting it in water, and after that cuttings are taken, you can use this rooting hormone powder. This is the cutting aid in auxin hormone powder. Around 20 rupees you can get this file, and it will run up to 1 year. You can serve. And another thing I will be using, this is balm, Jandu balm, and I'll see if any home ingredient can help in growing the cuttings. This is my first experiment with this balm, if there is any result. So here I marked here some places here I'll be putting the rooting hormone powder, and some places I'll be using cutting using the balm. So make some holes here with the reverse sides of the pen, and old pen. You can use the back sides of this brush also. So make some 1 inch deep hole, and here the sand is totally wet and totally watered it properly in reverse sand. Now I am putting cutting here. This is the rooting hormone powder I am using, just 1 inch, and pushing it down to the sand, and with the fingers just adjust the sand here totally, pack up soil totally. And see, this is the here. And river sand is the best for growing cuttings. This is in Hindi, it is called bajri also, construction river sand, construction sand. And here I am removing the lower side leaves and using rooting hormone powder. This is the best technique for growing cuttings in sand. If you want, you can grow in soil also. So another experiment I am taking, I am using some balm. This contains lots of menthol, some camphor, and this is mostly used to remove the headache, and also this is used. And I am taking cuttings here, and applying some balm here, if it can be helpful for growing cuttings. So this is the cutting I have taken here. Now third, another one, to make it 3 by 3 in rooting hormone powder, I will be applying 3 cuttings, and in balm I will be using in 3 cuttings. So this is the 3 cuttings I have taken in balms. In the front side and back side I have rooting hormone powder, and you have to mark it properly which one is one. So I am putting some mark here. So this is the I am using some piece of clay pot to mark it. This is the used as balm here. So you have to sprinkle water every day, and you have to keep the sand always moist, and keep it in semi-shade area for around 10 to 15 days, and you will see the rooting here. And just water it, sprinkle it small amount of water. I have already watered the sand properly, and this is the here I am putting the cuttings here, and now keeping it in some below the window sill. Here is the semi shade area. There is no direct sunlight here, but there is proper indirect sunlight, and there is proper airflow should be there. And if you want, you can use fungicide time to time in order to prevent any fungal infections, but we are not using here fungal any antifungal here. So keep it in here for around 15 days, and after 15 days I will be showing you how the results it fares, how the balm is working, how the rooting hormone is working, how the cuttings are grown. So this is my first experiment with balm, and let's see if there is any result of good result, or anything happens here. So just see, after 15 days I will show you the results. Welcome back friends. After 15 days, now time to show you the results of growing the cuttings. And here the two types of cutting. In the front side we have used the balm. The plants are not looking well. Cuttings are not looking well. And the back side you see these are the cuttings we have grown with the rooting hormone powder. They are looking fair, good enough. And now I am pulling up the plants from here with the back side of this pencil or pen. You can pull out with the support. Just don't pull out with the directly with the hands. You give some support and they are the beautiful rooting. So there is a nice rooting occurred in 15 days. And if you keep it in 20 days, there will be much more better roots in here. And you see this is the roots, nice roots here. So this is the time to transplant it in any other soil media, maybe soil, diet soil, or in the compost media. You see nice rooting is occurring here. And here is the balm used. No, nothing has occurred. No root is already, this is totally rotten. The lower side is totally rotten, blackish rotten. So fungal infection, there is no rooting here with the balms. So you cannot use balm here in growing cuttings. You if you want, you can grow directly with cuttings without any rooting hormone powder, or if you can use rooting hormone powder, that will be best. And here I am using some soil and compost mix, 80% soil and 20% compost. And now taking 2-inch pot. If you want, you can transplant in 1-inch or 2-inch pot, that would be nice. And after growing it in 15 to 20 days, you can transplant in a 5-inch pot. And growing in bigger and bigger pot after 15 to 20 days, that is grows best results. I am using some paper cups also. This is the coffee cup, and make some holes or cut here at the bottom in order to allow to take out water from here. There should be total water drainage from the bottom, else the cutting will be rotten. So here I am putting some soil mix here and putting the cuttings, and see how I am growing the cuttings here. So this is the right method of growing cuttings. And after growing the cuttings, you have to put in water and keep it in semi-shade area for around 15 days. And after 15 days, you can transplant it in a 3-inch or 5-inch pot, and then keep it in 10 to 15 days in that 5-inch 15, then you can take out in the full sunlight. So this is a growing total growing procedure of mums or chrysanthemum or guldavadi. This is or chandramallika. In Bengali it is called chandramalika. So this is the right method of growing cuttings. And after growing the transplanting cuttings, just put some water here, pour some water here, and keep it in semi-shade area for around a couple of days, 10 to 15 days, and then you can transplant in a bigger pot. So this is the all method of growing cuttings of chrysanthemum. Just try it in home. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share it in your dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.